Good morning guys. So yari lang kita dire sa may Huervana Street in La Paz. Lakat-lakat kita dire. Quick update on the Huervana Road or Huervana Street Rehab. So as you can see, may mga street lights na kita. It looks lovely during the night kay namin na ang siga nila. And then of course completed na ang aton dire nga road. Cement na siya until De La Paz Plaza area. Going from previously we did many updates from Gaisano until La Paz Plaza, while the road was being concreting, was being cemented. So okay na. And then we have a little bit of traffic. It's just around 7:30 AM. So usually matraffic na kada aga. Almost major roads of Iloilo medyo matraffic na. It is a sign that the progress of Iloilo is steadily going up. And then also the effects of El Nino. So usually mga tao aga paghalin sa ilabalay going to schools or offices. And then as well as the pavement namin na maglakat-lakat din, no? So as you can see here, may pavement blocks na kita. Also the La Paz market has been steadily progressing. So this is the iconic facade right here. And then we will see later on the drone shot that there are already lots of columns being constructed. So I think the timeline would be I would estimate around siguro mga 2 years na siya kung matapos. So they started off this year, so roughly mga 2 years na siya kung mahuman. We have several markets being rehab all together. So we have the Central Market, Super Market, so may Super, and then also we have the Haro Market, and then the Mandurriao Market. As you can see here, diri ang aton nga amo na ning itsura niya, no, ang picture niya. So I think they would retain the facade. And then you have there, of course, previously we did the budget, which is the 395 million budget for the rehab of La Paz Market. Hindi magkita kasulod, so diri lang kita sa sagwa, masulusiting lang ta diri. So I think they are starting to work now. It's already kasulod. Pwede kasulod? Okay. So we're not allowed to go inside. So dili lang kita matiyog-tiyog. And then we will check some of the relocation situation there is La Paz Market. So we have quite a build up now. It's going to be 8 AM soon. So medyo matraffic na mataman. So most of the La Paz Batsoy shops are nandito sa kilid. So we have decos over here, and then on the other side we have Nix. So the area, I think, as well as Ted's is also here. So ari diri sila gatupad. So diri next na di siyang area may lapis to. And then we have Ted's Old Timer Batsoy, of course, ang sapiak, ang Decos. Lapas Kitchenet. And then as well as Netong's over here. So aga pa lang damo na nagkakaon. And then the famous Mads Cafe. So nationally famous na yung Mads Cafe kay even mga celebrities gakadto diri. So we have some friends over here. Good morning. We have some friends over here at Mads. So gapangapi sila aga pa. Okay, so we go along and proceed to the other areas of the relocation. So this is now the I think the central alley, as we can call it. So they have built the stalls left and right. If you take a look at the map, this is actually part of the, we have a bus anchoring a bus aragaban. Okay, this is actually part of Rizal Street based on the map. So they occupy the sides of the market. I mean the Rizal Street in-occupy na for relocation of temporarily of these stalls from the La Paz market. So lakat-lakatan taas na sa punta isang area yung ano eh. The vegetable section and the fruit section is still here at the back sa market. So as you can see right here, ari pa din sila gyapon. Then you will see the glimpse of the construction diri sa likod sa La Paz market. So the columns hindi pwede sa makita. And then the regular stalls nga ari diri sa likod is actually the fish stalls. I'm not sure kung i-retain nila ang building pero diri usually ang mga fish stalls, mga fish vendors diri. I think they are still here. So nagabaligya pa sila gyapon sa isda. So tika lang kita kadali. So ari diri ang mga gabaligya isda. So this whole building medyo palaba ni siya. So I hope it will well, maybe they will just retain the building para hindi na pagsaylo ng nagabaligya sa isda. So dari na kita sa end part sa inyong area. So dari, as I said, mga food stands sa ari pa diri. Tingog nila sa likod. And then we have the Igos sellers. Yeah. So hopefully kung humana ang New Lapas Market, sumadula na rin sila liwat. So ma-operate na liwat ang Rizal Street. Here now at the Magdalo Street. So nagmatamat na traffic. Then the Rotary Club Rotonda. So hasta na lang diri anay. Till the next update guys. Thank you for watching.